Hi, I'm Chris James from FIA. Today we're going to go over how to commission and program two hydrovar X Bell and Gossett drives for lead lag control and also to run differential pressure control through the system. First, we'll review the wiring required to set these pumps up for lead lag control and also for differential pressure. First thing here, you see on terminals 1, 2, and 3, 5, 6, and 7, we have our two 4 to 20 milliamp pressure sensors that are provided with the hydrovar X pumps mounted in the system and wired back to the control here. These are set for 4 to 20 milliamp. Follow the wiring directions on the specific sensor that comes with the pump. It does vary depending on what sensor manufacturer you were provided. For the multi-pump control, we need to run a COM wire between the two pumps, and that's going to land on our RS-485 Terminal 1 connections. That's terminals 28, 29, and 30, and that will be landed to both pumps. Once you have this wiring complete, in this case we also have a start-stop connection that has a factory jumper. I've left it in here for this application. These pumps are going to run continuously. If you had an external stop-start control, this is where you would integrate that onto both pumps.